Okay, I've added the second car. It's now the full set from the box. As you can see, is now out on the table. Gave the spring a full wind, so let's see what she does. Did pretty good, but sometimes these are, and the spring in this one is smaller than I'm used to seeing in some of the Clockwork trains, but it did run well. Gave a good few revolutions. Let's get a little more out of the spring, so I'm going to remove one of the cars and give it a tap. And a little bit better, probably enough to get to the next station on the line before the crew change and wind up, and run it out a little bit more. There we go. Again, fantastic set for its age. Some people I've talked to have said it's probably early 1930s, about the time Bing had Bing family or brothers had to flee Germany. This is probably one of the latest, probably one of the end of the road for Bing. A lot of people say it's a shallow end to a fantastic company, but I see nothing wrong with this train. It's fantastic. It's a lot of fun. It's even got me inspired to find some Bing accessories and make a period type layout. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll pick out some more stuff to share with you later.